Day 204 of backtesting until I'm profitable. Apparently the first one was cut short by internet issues, but I believe it's fixed now, so we're back and we're ready to get it rolling. So I think we can continue. I was busy doing the analysis. I think that I was bullish, basically looking for the price to go higher. You can get a sneak peek of what it looks like on the daily. It's this. There is nothing else on the other side, so we're trading all-time highs now, and it's in December 2023. Actually, in the last days of December. This is 27th. Now, hitting the 1 hour, it's going higher. 15-minute retraced, 15 into the 15-minute cap and started pushing higher. Well, now retraced into a 5-minute, and the next possible target will be here now. So there's a couple of SMTs, but price is really choppy. I don't know. It's probably because of the holidays. And then it runs this high here. And then it starts to drop heavily, taking out the London nose actually here. Now when you check the 1 hour, that's how it is. The 4 hour, we're now in the gap. So this is where I would like to long it. Let's see if it inverses. If it inverses here, well and good. I would long it right away. So it's inversed already at the 1 minute. How about the 3? Or the 4 or the 5? I don't know if this is gonna hold though, because it's so aggressive. This moved to the downside, and it was also a retracement to the 5-minute fair value gap. So apparently it's gonna hold lower. Let's go to the next time, which is some days before we can end this session, and I think the session will be really short because we're ending a backtesting session. So but we can also just start another one right away. Okay, so the 4 hour, we've retraced into the gap. I'd like to see now expansion to the upside, and if I'm wrong, obviously price could then head to Asia lows, but now you can see that price has run a low hourly fair value gap. Now I believe that we're probably gonna head higher at this 830 high. Move for the open. Now we've pressed hit the Asia lows. I'd like to see it inverse for me to take some longs towards the 830 high, but then there is no gap to inverse at all. And look, it turns out it's so aggressive with selling. Has it inversed the gap here? Not just yet. Right, now it has inversed, and it's also about to inverse a 5-minute. In the 15-minute, I'll have this gap here. That's the one I will be targeting, just the low hanging fruit. And look for this one here to hold bullish towards this and this high here. So let's see if we can long it here at this inversion. Yes, that will be 500 over 16, giving us around 33. Backtesting. Let's remove one more to remain with 505. Now let's just wait and see if take profit gets hit. Banger right there. It's take profit. Very good win. And it continues even higher. One good thing I can notice is that it ran this high. It was a premium 5-minute gap, so this also could have been a target, a potential target for a full 2 hour. And see that this was a really good one. So we are in the last days of December here. I have this daily gap here the price could head to. Haven't determined my bias yet, but it looks like it's gonna go short towards here because it's drop, retrace, drop. So unless if it just reverses, which if it reverses, it has to reverse in a POI. So that's what I will be waiting for to take longs. But as of now, I think shorts will be in play. Now price has run Asia highs. Asia highs have been run, then drop, leaving behind this gap at 7. So I believe it's gonna continue lower. Maybe we retrace into this gap, then we start going down. So there's a retracement into the 1 hour gap and the 15-minute gap, also with an SMT. So when are we gonna reverse? I don't know. Actually, we embrace the 2-minute here. Checking the 15, it's okay to target here. I think so. And be break even at this discount gap. I would like to put it at the high of this candle that formed the inversion. So the stop will be somewhere around the high, and the take profit will be here. Oh, that's a sharp reversal. Okay, now I don't understand what is going on with the way like it's just hits it in one candle, then reverses. This is insane, you can see. For one who was targeting here, it was a really quick hit. Anyways, it's a loss. It's Trade Zella. So I still believe we could be bearish. I might be looking out for bearish opportunities as long as when they present themselves. There is the inversion and the retracement into the inversion, this candle here, and I would like to short it right here. I believe it's a 2-minute gap. Okay, there's no 2-minute gap. neither is there like any other gap other than the 1 minute. That's why I'm a little bit skeptical about shorting it towards this low. You can take the risks and see. So this will be like around 1 to 1. Made the stop a little bit big because we have some gaps here, like this one. So it will be around 12, 500 over 24 again. So if this doesn't hit, then well and good, just go home with an L. Yeah, it was good knowing you. Right, next trade then. And apparently the session just ended. Was a crazy one. I have this session had 208 trades, 42% win rate, and 1.76 risk to reward. Not bad, but not the best that we can do as well. But I believe this is great. This is really great. Let's check out the full stats. I just completed another model here. 6 of them completed. This one, and this one. So this one was 2024, 2025, 2023. The only one you haven't done yet will be 2022. Should I do 2022 though? Can backtest the strat in 2022, or maybe backtest it in London to see how it works if it works in London session. But as of now, I think you can just open 2022. I'll actually start it next time. As of now, let's see if you can work it out in London. And by the way, in London it's around 2 years, like 2023, 2024 to 2025, I believe. 2024, 2025. Wait, it's 2023 actually. Alright, so going on the daily, let's go to the next London. The daily, it shows that we're bullish. You can see it yourselves. And price is close to this gap if it hadn't already hit it already as well. So maybe this day could provide some longs in this London session. So these are my main targets. This low here and that high, that's the range we're in. We've embraced a 1 hour gap, so this is obvious that this low here will get taken out anytime soon. Pretty much the same thing happened on the 15. We've also embraced there, so this low here will get taken out really early, and there it has been taken out right here. So is price gonna reverse? I think so. Now we have this SMT here. Now price has embraced a 1 minute gap. I think you can long it to like a premium 5 minute or the closest premium 5 minute. Let's see, there's this one here and some more right there. The reason I think this high will be better is because, well, the next 5 minute candle will open in around 2 minutes, so I'd like to see what it does before doing anything else. This will be a really small stop, so I'd like to make it a little bit bigger, give it some room to breathe as well. So let's test out the London waters. Whoa. moving great. Let's see if the volatility makes it there. The 5 minute has kind of impressed here, but it didn't. Looks like we're gonna get stopped out. Yeah, right there. For around $500, which was a good run, to be honest. It was really great there. And now, let's check out the 15. It's okay. So I still think maybe we're gonna be bullish, but looks like price isn't agreeing with me on that one. The one now we inverse again. I'm gonna take read this because I've taken the L for the day. I'm trading London, obviously. The L for the session. So we did hit that high. Right, which one was hit first? Let's pull it out and see. Turns out it's stop loss, and after hitting stop loss, it heads directly to take profit. Insane. This London is not easy. So it turns out the previous day was bullish, but not as strong as I expected it to be. I think I should lower the expectations I have on London, because most of the targets that I target are met in New York, and obviously because I was backtesting New York, I know that more than any other session. But you can test this and see now. I would like to say it's bullish, but the way it's looking like it's like it dropped, then retraced later, dropped, retraced back into the gap. It's kind of like chopping around. Funny thing is that there is no news embargo during the London session. Now price is in a 15 minute. I don't know if it's gonna reverse yet. So there's a run on the highs in the 15 minute. You check the 15 minute gap, you can see it's a retracement higher. Same thing as the 1 hour, and then you can run it probably to the on this low here, or like a 15 minute gap, which the closest will be there, and the inversion is at this gap here, and this will be, why are these things so small? Like it's moving at a really small range. So that's 500 over 16, giving us around 31. So let's sell it and see. The next day is also bullish. So there's a 4-hour gap right here, which the 1 hour is so close to. I believe it's gonna get hit. I'm gonna wait for 3. Okay, there is a drop lower. I wonder why it's this aggressive though. I thought we were bullish. The 1 hour is still dropping heavily. The 1 minute hasn't burst, which is totally fine by me. The 15. It's another 15-minute candle that just opened. We don't have any liquidity run, like any clear liquidity run for me to reverse. But let's just take it where it goes. Yeah, there is a stop out. Apparently the last day was up in bar. End up going higher later. Now it's in a 4-hour gap. Next close level of liquidity. Some premium gaps here that are holding 1 hour premium gaps. We've also inversed this one, so this is the lowest hanging fruit for me to target. So I'll be looking to take some shorts once they present themselves. So now the 1 hour is dropping, it's 224. 15-minute has run this high. When we zoom this in, we can see it clearly that we have an SMT with this high. And now I believe it's gonna inverse. 2-minute just closed, inversing this gap here. Let's sell this and see if it hits. Take profit will be here on my SL right there. So let's see where it goes. Bro, I should stick to New York. The way these trades are killing me. Insane. So it ends up failing to go higher, to go lower to the gaps, and I don't understand why. We're now in the London macro. It could just drop already. We've played with us long enough. There it goes. Well, this serves as a sign to show that discount gaps also count. Previous day high has already been taken, so where we're gonna be targeting now? Probably like another high. It looks bullish now. with the treatment to a 1 hour gap here. Asia session, we have got this high here with some SMT, but I still believe the price is bullish and could head to that low, to that high, sorry. So you can get a retracement followed by a liquidity run, then maybe I will start to long it. It runs this high here, then it calms down. Wow. No, the thing with London is that you can find like a gap to long it from, or like any other strong POI maybe. So where would it be heading to this 30-minute low? Yeah, turns out it was. And after running this low here at the Asia, this was the Asia low, it started pushing higher, and then check the 2, 3, 4 minutes, they have all inversed the gap. So now the gap has started to take effect. Maybe now shorts could get in the way. So I believe it's gonna short. To get a retracement into this 5-minute gap here. So now there's a 1 hour gap here. The price is currently inversing. So is it not gonna short after this SMT here? I believe it will start shorting to now like a 5-minute gap. Take it a discount one, like here. If this one fails, I'll know that I shouldn't trade 2 sessions and stick to the New York one. Because I'm getting cooked day by day. What am I doing wrong? Ow. And here goes take profit after stopping me up. Damn. So the high get run here? Nope. So it's one of those cases where you long it takes you out, then reverses. And I think I should also edit this start of London. It's 8. It's at 3, so maybe around 2:30 before the macro. So let's make it 2:30 because I believe it's the time New York starts. I'm in London. 3 a.m. Eastern time. So most of the times we're actually even shorting it or trading it before it's time. So let's go to the next London session. There's a 4 gap here that's really far. We have these S&Ps, but I think we should be going lower, run more lows, except if it gathers up some momentum and starts inversing gaps. Most of the trades are around the 15 minutes, so I don't really mind that. It's just that you should have the high time frame picture before anything else. And then we get a retracement into a 15-minute gap. Hey. So the Asia lows are now run. Maybe soon enough it will start reversing. When is it gonna inverse here? Alright. So it's a 1 minute inversion. This huge gap. So it has just run this low here. And there is no POI. As of now I don't see any. There is no POI. That's why I think this gap here could also be for shorts. But depending on how it's looking, I think it could be going higher after running the Asia lows. But this wouldn't be A plus. If it starts inversing bullish gaps, then we're cooked, which we are now. What was I thinking? It's not like it has the volatility like that one of what's it called, of New York. Maybe it's going to retrace and push higher, but I'm looking for bullishness overdose probably. Okay, there's the run on the highs. There is the inversion. Now these lows are suspect to me. You can short towards them. This will be 500 over 40. I haven't hit any single one this London session. I don't know, maybe it's because I haven't understood it yet as I should, because it's not that volatile as New York is. But yeah. Apparently we're gonna hit break even now, while ES run the lows that I wanted to see it run. Wait, so here are the lows, they are the Asia lows, they're the ones that I was targeting, and they weren't run at all. Turns out to be a very unfortunate day. So where are we at in price? So I'm still looking for longs. I'm actually looking for longs now. 1 hour gap here that's holding. Now in some Asia consolidation there. I'd like to see a run on some lows, which we actually do. Asia lows here were run. The previous the same thing here. Let's see. Runs the low again, runs this one as well, and ES also manages to run this one. I think now maybe I'll long it. Then there is no gap, that's the problem. There is not a single gap here. Let's hold on price. There isn't. Maybe price has run this low, and I believe maybe it's gonna continue higher. I'd like to see these relatively go highs get taken out. Long it at this inversion here. Oh, that's insane. Apparently the 15-minute doesn't want to inverse. Consider this is a small gap here, no candles closing above it. Maybe if this one can close above it, would be great. Which I see it has done. Can minimize my risk to this low here. Yeah, and there it goes. Bro, London is not my thing at all. The way it's cooking me, it's like I've never ever traded. There's an SMT here as well. My price is in the gap. Okay, now price has dropped into a 1 hour gap. Maybe now we can start longing it after it embraces this gap here. There's the inversion. We'll long it with this. The problem is that London is so slow that hitting this high will be really hard. This is on Santiago lows. Let's add one more to make it a full 500. Yeah, we go. London is not really my thing, for sure. I believe like I believe now I have a 30% win rate. Yeah, around 15. It's dropped really drastically. Look at how this thing looks. Let's see. Maybe it's because it's still generating. We'll see. If it doesn't phase out, then I won't be trading London at all.